Hey, it's Jewl with the Daily Drop Society. Let's talk about what essential oils you can use to get beautiful nails. Now, if you're looking for nails that are stronger, that have an even color to them, they just look healthy and beautiful, the first oil that I would reach for is one called Tea Tree. Now, doTERRA makes this in a pre-diluted roller bottle. What I love about this so much is that it's already ready to go with a roller on top, and all you do is you are going to roll this every night on your cuticles before you go to bed. Now, this is going to help them look more beautiful, stronger. It's going to help your cuticles, and it's going to help with discoloration. Now, the second thing that is so important if you want beautiful nails is getting on a good vitamin. You guys, vitamins are so important. They are the building blocks to having beautiful hair, skin, and nails. Now, down in the description below, I'll put a link to my favorite vitamins. But you guys, this is so crucial to having the building blocks, to making them stronger, look more vibrant, and overall, it's gonna help your entire body. Those are your 2 quick tips for the day on how to have beautiful nails. Thanks for watching. Bye.